This video shows an example of implementing onClickListener for our RecyclerView. You can see the previous video. We have implemented RecyclerView for displaying item and price. Okay, and now we are going to create a new activity. When the user clicks on some of those items inside the RecyclerView, it will navigate inside the second activity. For example, I click this item, it goes to the second activity. Okay, so let us discuss in detail how to develop it. First, we are going to create the second activity. You can click this, right click, new activity and empty activity. We can rename it, yeah. Second activity. We are going to add the image view on the second activity. You can click the layout here. Okay, select the image view. Let's say I select the any image, yeah. Let's say I select the default one here. Okay, it doesn't matter at this moment, it will change dynamically. Don't worry, let's add the text view here. Let's say in order to display the price and also the item name. Okay, so first let's change the ID. Yeah, you can go to the XML file. Yeah, so let's say for the image view, I rename it main image view, and then the text price item. And item name. Okay. Okay. Let us add the text size here. You can write Android text size. And style, text style, bold. Okay. Let us copy here, same. Let us check the output. Okay, it will be larger here. Okay. Okay, next we have to add the ID for the constraint layout, yeah, for the second activity. So you can type Android ID. For example, this is the main layout. Okay. Okay, back to the layout again. You have to add the constraint layout here. For example, 160. for the text view, you have to add the say I set 20 here. Okay, after you connect all those constraints here in our layout, now we are going to go on the Android manifest. You can click this folder, Android manifest here. Okay, inside the second activity, we are going to add a parent activity, which is the main activity. This is the second activity. We are going to add the parent activity. So you can enter here. You can type Android parent activity name and main activity. Then you can add the label. Android. Oops, something wrong here. Suppose here Android label. For example, detail. That is basically means that whenever we are in the second activity, we will see a back button, and it will navigate automatically to the main activity. So we are going to the adapter. We are going to add the constraint layout object. You can click the adapter here. Okay, so inside my adapter, we are going to add the constraint layout object. So we can put inside my view holder. So you can add here public view main layout, and then inside public my view holder you can type main layout equal to item view. We can set onClickListener inside on bind view holder. So here you can type the holder dot main layout dot set onClickListener new onClickListener. You can call the intent equal to new intent and then this is a context comma and the second activity dot class. Okay, in the intent object we are going to pass three values, one for image and the second one is price, in the third one for item name. So we are going to use the put extra method. So you can type here intent dot put extra, and then we are going to say the name for the first data, and it will dynamically get title from our string array. So you can type data 1 comma data and position. Okay, so we want to get the data from here, semicolon. So the second one is for item name. intent dot put extra data to position. And lastly, for the image, intent dot put extra my images and position. So this one should be similar with this. Okay, same. You can type context dot start activity intent to. Okay, that's it for our main adapter. In the second activity, let's we create those object for the text view and image view. If you look at the layout here, we have two text view and an image view. So let's add those object here. So you can type image view, main image view, and the text view. Price item, comma, item name. And the data 1, comma, 2, okay, comma, and integer image. Okay. Next, you have to link. You have to link between layout and the Java file. First is your image view. So you can type main image view equal to find r.id dot main image view semicolon price item r.id dot price item and item name. Okay, we are going to check if the data exists inside the intent object or not. So we can type the condition here. If get intent has extra my image. This is the exact name for the key in which we pass in the my adapter. So in order to check whether the data is exist or not, so you have to put condition like this, and then you can copy this one. You can check for all the data. We have three data: image, and then data 1, okay, and data 2. Basically, create two string and one integer. We are going to store the data from the intent. We want to receive the data from the intent, so we can type data 1 equal to get intent dot get extra extra. Okay, and the variable data1, data2, okay, okay. Okay. And then lastly is my image, yeah. Get intent dot get intent extra, get integer extra my image, because we are going to use the integer, so we have to set the default value equal to 1. Okay, and then else means there is no data, so you can pop up, yeah, tools dot make tag this comma there is no data, tools dot length short dot show. Okay. Okay, now we need to set the data. Once we receive the data from the intent, yeah, we can receive by using get intent dot get string extra here. So we need to display, right? We need to display in the second activity. We want to display in the image view, text view here. So you can type here price item. Yeah, price item here is the this is the text view. Yeah, dot set text equal to data1 or data2. Let us check here. You can see in the adapter. Okay, the data2 is price. So suppose here data2. Next is item name. Okay. Item name dot set tag data1. Yeah. And lastly, main image view dot set image resource my image. Okay. This one wrong. Okay. Okay. Now correct. Okay. Okay, this is our recycle view. Once you click, it goes to the second activity. Then you can see here the back button because we declare it in the manifest, Android manifest. Okay, okay, it's worked. You can try. Thank you for watching. See you next video.